Hi everyone! Good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to remove Facebook page followers. Okay, first things first, what you want to do to proceed is to open up your Facebook app. And then, now that you are in Facebook, head on to your menu. Then, press Settings. In here, just press Page Settings. In here, you will have to look for Your Activity and scroll down until you find your activity log. Okay, now that you are in your activity log, what you are going to do from here is to press Filters. After pressing that, a pop-up should appear. In here, what you will be selecting is Categories. And in the selection of options, what you will be selecting is your connections. Press that and look for followers. Now that you are in the Followers tab, you can now view all the individuals that are following your Facebook page. However, to be able to remove them, the only way as of now is to block them. So if you are really decided to remove a specific follower, you just have to block them using your page. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now remove Facebook page followers. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.